steps. And if you write a million of experiments, something is bound to break. And in fact, it did break at some point in time. So we said, okay, let's shove everything in a scikit-learn API. So we created those custom classes because we wanted, when you write a million of experiments, you want a fit and you want a transform and you want to not worry about whatever somebody has decided to kind of use as an API. So we created these kind of relatively simple scikit-learn looking classes. In this case, Doctrine Vectorizer, which have a fit method and they have a transform method, and they make your job easier when you start writing experiments. And also, because it's very easy in scikit-learn, you add just this looking classes. In this case, extremely simplified vectorizer file, which have a fit method and they have a transform method, or in this case, you can use in your experiments. I cannot export this, but I did create a repo that is that can be accessed outside of the FT with part of that code and with some experiments, and I'll share that. I shared that before the meeting. I'll share it afterwards as well. Not a production level, it's used for experimentation, but it was helpful to us. And yeah, our data, we decided to have our data in an S3 bucket, in our models in that same S3 bucket, and we used